Breastfeeding supports strong physical development and healthy weight gain. Babies who are breastfed are less likely to suffer from diarrhea, respiratory infections, malnutrition, and allergies. As they grow, breastfeeding continues to protect them from chronic diseases such as obesity and diabetes later in life. The close contact during breastfeeding also promotes proper brain development and emotional stability. For mothers, breastfeeding brings many health benefits. It helps the body recover after childbirth by reducing bleeding and helping the uterus return to its normal size. Breastfeeding lowers the risk of breast and ovarian cancers and helps reduce the chances of developing type 2 diabetes. The hormones released during breastfeeding promote relaxation, reduce stress, and support emotional bonding between mother and baby. Encouraged and normalized, mothers are more likely to start and continue breastfeeding for a longer time.